success in our mandate to make this state crime-free, free from killings and other social vices. These residents, we are here to do a very thorough search where these people were arrested. And the government of the state is giving the following people 7 days ultimatum to report themselves to the government house. The Okagele of Obage community, Dada is to report himself to the office of the Special Security Squad. The Okagele of Prof.Mgbeke is also given 7 days to report himself. The Okagele of Ama community is also given 7 days to report themselves. The following people have been declared wanted in Edo State.
And these are the wonders. Declare cultists, take out of cultism, and there's no way there. The governor has sounded it and he means it. And these are part of the signs. The arrests were tremendous yesterday and they are yielding fruitful results. We are doing further arrests, and those persons they just mentioned that they are saying they should come, for their own good they should come. Otherwise, they will still face the route of declared wanted. And
Now you don't know, like get the motor, like carry the back on. I'm not there aware of the killing, but I chance me then start with to carry the bag. Now do no get the bag, now I get the motor, now I drive the motor.
This arm, who get the arm?
Now I carry the bag enter inside house.
Who get the arm?
Now do no carry the bag enter inside house.
Who get the arm?
I don't know get among them, but I carry the bag.
Who carry the arm? Come.
Now do no carry enter inside house. Yes.
The man is your friend.
Yes, remember.
He's your friend.
Yes.
How long?
In zone now for no each other.